y'all, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be more of a morning chore routine. I don't always do chores in the morning. Sometimes it's more of the evening before my husband gets home and I just spend time with the kids in the morning. But this morning was a different morning. Both kids were still sleeping, so I decided to go ahead and film a what I do when I do my chores in the morning, and I want to take you guys along with me. On this particular morning, I decided to go ahead and make muffins. I bought muffins probably about a week ago, and I keep eyeballing them in my pantry. And I know Hazel likes them too, so I decided to go ahead and make them before she woke up, just so that she can have something sweet and delicious to wake up to. I'm just making the Martha White wild berry muffins. These are my absolute favorite. Sometimes I like to go with just the blueberry or just the strawberry, but I absolutely love when I can get the wild berry because I have both the blueberry and the strawberry mixed together. I have not really tried any other Martha White muffins, so I usually just stick with this one. And I'm going to go ahead and just stir it up and then pour it into a little muffin tin that you can see me spraying here. I decided to go ahead and make little muffins just because it's aesthetically pleasing, especially for little kids. Little kids like little things, and so I thought it'd be really nice for Hazel just to have her own little mini muffins. Once I got the muffins in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and start on putting up some dishes and doing the little bit of dishes that I have in my sink. I don't have much because I did the dishes the night before, but I just want to go ahead and kind of stay on top of the dishes and put everything up. It just helps the kitchen look a little bit bigger. As you can see, our kitchen is very, very small, so any little extra room would help. I'm sure y'all see that little list over there in the corner. Yep, that is a chore list. Here lately, I have been enjoying writing down lists and marking off the tasks that I need to get done. It has really helped me, so I'm going to encourage y'all to write down what you want to get done first, and then you'll feel like you have accomplished something. Okay, so I was trying to hurry before my oven went off with the muffins, and I got done just in the nick of time. Here they are. They are pretty much done, looking good and delicious. And once I got them out, I had to taste one, but I tasted it off camera. So good. If you have never ever tried wild berry Martha White muffins, I would definitely give them a try. Y'all, look at those muffins. They look so good. This makes me so hungry. Going back over and rewatching this video, oh my goodness. I cannot wait to make those wild berry muffins again. Moving on to the last chore of this particular morning, I didn't want this video to be too overdrawn. I wanted it to be quick and simple and just some little inspiration for you in the morning. Maybe you have about 30 minutes before your kids wake up, from the time that you get ready till your children wake up, you maybe have 30 minutes. So I just wanted this to be a little bit of an inspiration for you guys, maybe to help you get something done that you need to in the morning, maybe a task that you absolutely hate. Just pop this video on and just listen to it while you get that chore done. I promise it helps. I enjoy watching other cleaning videos while I'm trying to get cleaning done. It's such a help. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot. So before I let you go, I just want to kind of give you guys a little bit of word of advice that has kind of helped me this morning, and it is from Proverbs 31, and it is 26. It says, "She openeth her mouth with wisdom, and in her tongue is the law of kindness." Guys, remember to be kind this morning. Say something sweet. Don't be all rude and be a little sourpuss today. I don't know why I'm saying this to you guys, but maybe it'll help somebody. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.